Shout out to Trin and Dewey, thanks so much for subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for regular uploads and your chance to be included in shoutouts for future videos. Hello fellow soap addicts, how is everyone today? I thought I will just put the camera on today because I'm testing a new fragrance oil. It's called Japanese Honeysuckle. It's from Eroma here in Australia, and it smells absolutely beautiful. I'm hoping that it behaves well. As you can see, I haven't had very much luck with Eroma fragrances these last few weeks. They just keep accelerating on me. So I'm very well prepared if this one does too. As you've seen my blackberry fig on the Facebook group, I tried that. That's actually not from Eroma, I have to say. That's actually from Aussie Candle Supplies. And that one moves very fast. The fig one from Eroma moves also very fast. And the baked apple pie also moves. That actually seizes the soap better. For those of you that actually see me make the apple soap for Kenny over in Michigan, United States, from Royal Appleberry. So that misbehaves too, and I'm hoping this one behaves itself. But if not, that's okay, that's fine. So this is the standard, these bars are actually for King of Suds, and this is the standard coconut, soybean, olive oil, castor oil and shea butter recipe. And I'm actually putting oat milk. So I put the oat milk in there. So I guess milk and oil method, as they say. And that's the ultra concentrated oat milk that's in here. All the oils and everything's melted in there. I added 2.5% clay as well, white kaolin clay, for that nice skin glide and skin feel that it gives. Sodium lactate's in there as well. This is the lye, the pink salt is in there, sodium gluconate is in there. I dissolved that before I add the lye. Full percentages down in the description below. And I went with 4% fragrance load with a bit of natural vitamin E in there. And that's it really. It's a pretty straightforward recipe. I'm only doing a 2-color split, so I'm just going to split it off. I don't have to add any clay for the portion I'm splitting off because the clays are in here already. I'm going to give it a good stick blend before I add the lye, and then when I split it off, and then add the actual second color, which is right here. So yeah, I wanted to do actually 3 colors as well for this, but I'm just going to leave it 2 because I'm not sure how this fragrance is going to behave itself. So I'd rather work with 2 colors, fast moving fragrance, and 3 colors in future. If this I know behaves itself, I will actually do 3 colors. I want to do a I actually wanted to do a purple and pink kind of with white, so 3 colors swirl in the pot swirl, but I don't know if this is going to behave. So I'm actually doing a little test today. So there's just a little bit of clay in there as well. And there's bright red mica and there's ultramarine violet, and apparently those two make a nice maroon color. So I'm hoping that, or magenta, sort of in between, and I'm hoping that actually works. So that's going to be a good test, and we'll see if you can actually mix 2 micas together and create a different shade, a different color completely. So that'll be very interesting. I did half a teaspoon of each, so a very small amount. That's going to go in this one here. And that's it really. It's going to be a pretty straightforward recipe. I'm really enjoying making soaps that I can't really make for Dawn Organics under King of Suds, which is great. So I made the decision to actually put 2 shopping headings on my website. So I'm not going to have another second website. It's just going to have on 2 different shop sections, Dawn Organics shop and King of Suds shop, and it's going to have all the categories underneath. And I'm just going to keep on the one website so that way people can shop both, products, Dawn Organics and King of Suds, and under the one shipping as well, and people can just grab what they like. And I just find it, in my mind, I had to separate it at least with the logo, because Dawn Organics obviously is aromatherapy based, and King of Suds is, when I play around with fragrance oils and micas, which I can't really do under Dawn Organics because it's a bit, contradictory under the logo itself. But I'm getting custom boxes made also for King of Suds. I'm going to be cutting the bars small, as you've seen in my previous video with the goat's milk soap and the concentrated milk soap as well. So that's kind of like the direction I'm going in. I like to have both, and because I am a soap addict, I like to just make soap all the time. Doesn't matter what it is. So perfect excuse to make the addiction even bigger, I guess. Right, so I'm going to... and one thing, sorry, I forgot to add, in the oil here too, there's sugar syrup, just to help with boosting the lather. Not that it really needs it, but I like adding sugar in all my recipes. And I will say that this recipe is actually not soft. It's actually soybean oil and olive oil too, when you put it with coconut oil. Really makes a hard, long-lasting bar. And I'm actually really impressed with how this recipe is turning out. So I went ahead and bought a huge drum of the soybean oil from Heirloom Body Care, and that's going to be incorporated in the King of Suds recipes, and a big drum of castor oil too from Heirloom Body Care. And for those of you that don't know, just in case you missed it, I have an affiliate program with Heirloom Body Care over in Penrith. You can save yourself 5% of every order, and of course I earn a small percentage of the sales as well, and of course links will be available in the description. So just reminding everyone of that for those that missed. So I'm going to go ahead and stop yakking. I'm going to go ahead and make some Japanese honeysuckle cold processed soap with oat milk.